It got something on the back end of this. Lash for dummies. Y'all, I don't think this right. Look at my God today. Jesus. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I hope everybody's doing good out there. I'm doing good, y'all. As you can see, I'm home. Yes, I am home, y'all. I'm so hyped to be at home. Oh my gosh. I just feel like I was in VA for so long, y'all. Too much. But yeah, definitely at home, so I'm hyped. So I had to get cute on here for like my first video coming on back home. Y'all, look at the dress. It's so stinking cute. And y'all, when I had put it on, I was like, dang, I forgot all about this. Y'all see that nasty slit right there? Y'all, I forgot all about this dang dress, and it's so pretty, and it actually still fits your girl, and it look nice. The color look good on that pretty brown skin. Yeah, but no, for real, that's not what we here for, y'all. I just wanted to say I look good. But yeah, y'all, look, before we get right into this video, y'all go ahead, subscribe to your girl if you're not already subscribed. Go ahead and hit the like, hit the bell so you know when I'm posting. Leave a comment and say, hey, I promise you I talk back. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. As you can see by the title, I am doing another PR unboxing. Y'all, I'm so excited about this whole thing. Like, I could not wait to get home because y'all, like, while I'm at home, I had some brands hit me up, wanna collab with your girl, wanna do this, and I'm like, oh, look at your girl. What I tell y'all on my last one, I'm trying, God is good. Thank you to God, period. But I told y'all, gonna start seeing, I'm gonna start having pounds and pounds of packages and gonna unbox it with y'all. Y'all ain't wanna believe me, but I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm putting in that work. So today I have 2 packages that I'm going to unbox with you guys. We're gonna see how it is. We're gonna have fun with it. We're gonna do all of that good stuff. Yeah, and then also what I'm gonna be doing is I'll probably just be doing some content and stuff for it. But honestly, I doubt if I record me doing the content for it and all that. Y'all just see my content like on my TikTok and my Instagram. I'll even put it on my shorts as well. So yeah, so y'all can see the different content that I came up with for it. All right, the first one, let's see what this is. Guess what? Shay and Blue wanted to work with your girl again, y'all. So I'm excited. I'm here for it. I was like, of course I will work with you guys again. Of course I would. So yes, guys, so they sent me 3 new perfumes. Cute little travel size perfumes. I hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and smell these scents out with you guys now. What is this one? I got the Melrose Apple Blossom. Then I have Blood Oranges. And then I have Black Tulip. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and see what these perfumes are hitting on. I'm super excited. Let's get into the Melrose Apple Blossom first. Okay, and it looks like all of their perfume bottles come in that blue style, like the big one that they had sent me. So it looks like this is just maybe their signature of a perfume bottle. Like all of it's just going to come into this. So let's test it out. Melrose Apple Blossom. I never really had anything that was apple, so I'm silly. Kind of smell good though. Hold on, let me see. Let me put it on my hand. Y'all know I'm gonna give my real honest opinion. It's different. It's very subtle though, and it's soft. It smells good. It do smell like a little, it got a hint of apple in there. I like this. It actually is not bad. Like, I've never had a perfume that smells like this. So for me, I don't know if it's giving like a everyday for me personally. Maybe like coming out the shower mist, like going to bed perfume. It's just super different for me because I've never had a smell like this. And I always tell you guys, I am a fruity girl. Like, I love fruity smells. I love to smell like that. So Anything else, I be like, Don't smell bad, y'all. Actually smell really good. Okay. The next one, let's do the black tulip. Why am I blowing at it? That's dumb. I don't know about this one. I don't think I'm gonna like this one. I don't like the black tulip. I don't know, it's something about it. Hold on, some off. It got something on the back end of this though, but I can't say what it is, but it smells really fruity like on the back end of it. But I don't know if I like it. I don't know, y'all. I can't even explain it. I guess I need to get better at explaining perfumes, right? Since perfume brands want to work with me, I need to start knowing my perfumes. I don't know. What I do know is I don't think I like this here. All right, the last one is blood orange. It smells like oranges. I don't know if I'm gonna like that either. Oranges all the way. When I say if you are a person that just love oranges, and there's CJ and walked in on the tube.
What's
I thought you was gone. I thought you was at work or something.
That's why you don't worry about me.
Y'all see how he treat me? As soon as he come in the house, nasty attitude.
35.
I don't like this, y'all. I mean, if you like oranges and you want to smell like that all goddamn day, this is the scent for you. But for me, it's a no. Out of the three, the apple one is definitely my favorite. I think that one smells really, really good. The other two, not so much. I don't know. Maybe y'all would like it. My opinion, baby, we can move on. But I thank Shay and Blue so much. Thank you guys so much for wanting to just partner with your girl again. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I didn't like these two. This won't for me, but the bottle and everything is really cute. It really is nice, very nice for like a little travel size kid on the go. And I can't wait to really do my content. You guys are gonna love it. All right, so let's open up my last package, you guys. And this is gonna be super different for me. Something I've never done before. I know he ain't talking. What you say?
I want to get a drink.
Girl, come get a drink then. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Okay, so this next collab is from, and I hope I'm saying it right, but I feel like I am, but it's Luxe Cosmetics. That's the name of them. Luxe Cosmetics, you guys, and it looks just like this. Oh, it's so nice. And y'all, it's pink, y'all, so y'all know I'm obsessed. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. But it said, okay, so what I have is a lash lift set. Never had anything like that before, so I don't know. I hope this is good for beginners, people that don't know how to do it. Lash for dummies. You feel what I'm saying? Let's open this up together. That's why I didn't put no lashes on, as you can tell. Like, I want to kind of do this part with you guys. I want to see like how it's gonna work and how we can do it, but I'm gonna do that part in my room because I know I'm gonna have to sit down. Like, I'm not gonna be able to stand up and do this. So yeah, we're definitely gonna get into that today. Dream big and shine bright with your new lashes. Yeah, y'all, that's the little note soon as you open it up. And this is so cute. And yes, they do have a Luxe lash lift tutorial. What I said, because gonna need all of the tutorials I can get, because how do you do this? Oh, and then it has a little QR John, so I guess that's how I'm gonna be able to do it. But y'all, this is a whole, girl, this a whole kit. Oh, we're gonna have fun with this, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna do this sitting right there at the vanity, y'all. Let's get into some Luxe cosmetic things, shall we? I'm now in the room. It's not messy, but it is stuff kind of in different spots. So y'all just ignore it. Pay attention to me. Nah, y'all, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing, how to apply. Step 1, start removing all makeup or residue before the treatment. Okay, so I need to take like my eye makeup off. Okay, all right, so let's just go ahead. I'm gonna wipe this off. Oh, yeah, I'm so scared. Is that it right there? Hold on. Y'all, look at me. Y'all see me trying though, right? This is why I said for dummies. Not to call myself dumb, but baby, how the heck do y'all do this? Y'all, I don't think this right. Look. Next step, cause I look like a damn fool. Okay, next step would be apply the glue to fix your lashes. But girl, I would hate to put the wrong thing. Is the adhesive, is that supposed to be the glue? Is that the glue? Okay, put glue on the thing. Y'all, I feel like it's not even coming on there. Look. It's not nothing coming on here. Y'all, in a minute, I'm about to catch an attitude and it's not gonna get done. Maybe it's this. You gotta have real patience. Baby girl, this is a whole situation. Hold on. Okay, y'all see it? Like, I'm trying. Okay, as you can see, I tried. I did what I could do. This what we at with it, with this lash. Okay, moving on. Cause my God today, Jesus. Okay, so the next part, it says apply the lotion. Apply perm lotion 1. So we're going to use the perm lotion. That's what we're about to get into. Oh wow, is all I'm gonna say. Oh wow, like this is a lot. Can't believe these people want me to do all of this. I see the little pack. I don't mean no harm if I gotta do all of this to make sure my real lash got some link to it. Baby, I probably won't. All right, y'all, so let's put this lotion on there first. The lash feels so weird being up here. Hold on, I'm trying to like so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm putting the lotion on the lash. This is the perm lotion 1. And I don't like the fact that it says perm lotion. I ain't gonna have no lashes messing with this. Lord Jesus, what I done put on. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna let that sit on the lash for 12 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and we gonna finish this off. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And y'all, it look like it wanna come all the way off. And then it like stinks. So that's why I was like, I'm hoping that this don't take off my lashes. Like, this ain't no real perm, is it? Next is apply the fix lotion 2. Lord, y'all, it's a whole process. No, like, seriously, it's a process. We're going in with number 2. I don't even know how y'all do this when y'all go get y'all lashes done. Like, how y'all sit there and let them keep y'all eyelids up like that? Like, I'm ready for this to be over with. 10 minutes for this one. It's so many different steps, and then after step 2, we still got one last step to go. All right, so now it just says to take this part off. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off. So let me do it for the over here. And y'all, probably didn't stick good because it looked like I still had a little bit of makeup on. So yeah, but it says clean it just a tad bit. So I guess we're just gonna, let's comb it on through. After we comb it through, apply the nourishing lotion. Nourishing lotion, you just, I guess just put it on the lashes. So that's it. So before, after. I mean, yeah, it definitely, I mean, it did something. It definitely lifted my eyelashes, but it just took, the whole process was so long. But I mean, it did do it. Wish my corners was in there a little bit more, but I think that was just because I, like I was telling y'all, I felt like it won't on the daggone little pad good enough, so I'm not even tripping. That is like my lash. Like, can you guys see the difference? Like, look, I had to just hurry up and get back on here. Don't mind me, I'm about to go out, so I'm getting myself together. But look, y'all, the lash stuff, oh y'all, this might be a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm not gonna even hold you. It's still holding up. Y'all, man, I done washed my face, did the whole 9 yards. I don't think I done washed my face like 3 times. I thought it was just gonna be like a quick 1-2, then once you wash your face, it was just gonna be gone. No, y'all, it's still on. Like, maybe this will be a good alternative, like, for me to start wearing my real lashes more and get them to grow out more instead of always putting lashes on. No complaints. That's it for this video. These were my PR packages. I just want to say thank you so much Luxe Cosmetics, for even wanting to just work with your girl. I've never did anything like this in my life. So this whole thing was super new to me. So thank you guys for wanting to collab. It was actually kind of fun, but man, that's a lot of work. It's so much, but I guess if this is like the healthier way to just have lashes other than like always putting strips on or getting individuals, like, okay, I get it. But my God, today, it took a long time. And I don't hardly even got no lashes, y'all, as you can see. But you can see that it is a difference. Like, you can see it's definitely lifted up. For sure. Like, what are you guys' thoughts? Would you guys purchase this? Like, would you guys purchase any of these products? Would you guys sit here and do a whole lash kit situation to go ahead and get the lashes popping? Would you do it? All right, but yes, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed this so much. Hopefully I will be coming back to you guys really soon with a whole nother PR unboxing. Who knows, you know? But yes, I just want to say thank you so much. And that's it. Y'all already know what time it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And until next time, I love y'all. Bye.